Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my video. This opportunity, I want to tell you about how to make guava juice. Okay, don't take many times. Let's do it. Before we start to make guava juice, we need to prepare the ingredients and the tools. Okay, the main ingredients is guava, and then we need to prepare the sugar, milk, the cold water. Okay, for the tools there are filter, kettle, spoon, cutting board, knife, and blender. Of course, we need blender to grind the guava. Let's start to make it. For the first, we need to slice the guava into the several pieces. Okay, for the second, we put the guava into the blender. Okay, and then we add the cold water. Okay, and then add the sugar for about 3 tablespoons. Okay, enough. And then give the milk. I choose Indo milk. Okay. Okay, enough. And then close the blender. Okay, let's start to grind the guava. Wait until the guava has crushed and mixed with sugar and milk. Okay, maybe enough. Okay, how to open this? Okay, let's filter the guava juice to remove the seeds of guava. Okay, wait a minute. it's so thick, this guava juice. Okay. Maybe we can use this bowl. Okay, the juice has been removed from the seed of the guava, and then we can serve the guava juice with the glass. Ooh, wow. The guava juice has been ready to be enjoyed. Let's try it. It's so delicious and sweet. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Okay, see you next time. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.